easy to admit it, but recently I fell deep down the TikTok rabbit hole, and honestly you could throw any sentence at me and I would come at you with a TikTok reference. So besides the funny videos and also the self-deprecating humor videos, which are most of the time very relatable, there are also a lot of creative people on there who are doing thrift flips and styling videos and also hairstyling videos. And also 2 days ago was the first time in over a year that I straightened my hair. Usually my hair is pretty wavy or even curly if it would be shorter. As you can see, it's very long, so a lot of weight is weighing my hair down. And sadly most of the hair tutorials on there require straight hair. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to just try some of the 90s inspired hairstyles. Let's go! Alright, the first one are 2 pigtails with most of your hair down, so I guess that's an easy one. Also, what do you guys think about my Y2K jacket? I absolutely love it. I bought it today, secondhand. I mean, look at the screen leopard print with those gem rhinestone buttons. It's so tacky and I absolutely love it. For this one I'm going to use those little almost invisible hair ties. I can't really tell why, but I'm not a fan of a middle part with my face. I think because my hair is totally missing out on volume on top here, so my head just looks flat. I actually think this one is really cute. Honestly, seeing myself like this with a hairstyle just makes me want to experiment more with my hair, because most of the time I actually don't do anything with it. I just let it be curly and volumized, but honestly I really like it. Also a big plus with this one is from far away it looks like my pigtails are tremendously long. You can't even see it. I think my hair isn't fully in frame, so. Okay, she's doing the headband thing. I'm just gonna grab a scarf, I guess. Here we go. The stuff you never get to see in hair videos. Help! I don't want to lose all of those. Okay, the next hairstyle is 100% making me kinda insecure because she didn't pull any strands of hair out and I want to do it exactly like her, so I'm going to rock my round head and show it off now. To be completely honest, this is not it for me. I'm probably not going to wear this in the future, like this, but maybe it's an option for you. Maybe I will try it with just a few strands of hair in the front to make it more casual, I guess. Isn't it crazy that just a few pieces of hair can make such a big difference in your confidence level? If you can relate, please comment down below. Next up, she's showing 2 snap clips. I only found, okay, I didn't even bring it with me, but I only found 1 snap clip and that's not enough, so I thought I would just grab those little hair thingies. In German they're called Haarkrebse. So that's it, basically the easiest thing in the world. Is she kidding? She considers taking 2 strands of hair out a hairstyle? Honestly, that's my level of laziness. This is a cute one. Just doing a half up, half down. I think normally I would also style my bangs. A few months ago I cut my hair to micro bangs. They were this short. This jacket was definitely the worst choice for this video because every time I put my arms up, the jacket is coming up, so... Okay, this gives me major Ariana vibes, but I like it. I think it's so cute. Just a regular ponytail. Okay, a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. I think she kinda looks like Bella Hadid. I'm not surprised about the side swept bangs. we're gonna part our hair. But this pony is tight as hell. For my bangs I used those two. I think normally you would also put gel in it. So her last hairstyle is a basic bun. Also those noises in the background are from the wind. Every time when it's windy outside of my apartment you can definitely tell what's going on, so don't mind it. So we're going to pull out those two strands of hair again. And I think now you can kind of tell that I cut my bangs myself. And we're going for a basic high top bun. For the next video she actually just did exactly the same hairstyles as the girl before, just with adding 2 braids at the end, so I'm gonna do it. Is it even possible to braid my bangs without looking ridiculous? Those strands are definitely too thin, and also my bangs didn't really want to cooperate. What did I do wrong? Hold up, let me correct myself. This is the hairstyle I'm probably never going to wear outside. Yeah. Hairstyles that only require 2 hair ties. First up, the space buns. Love them, like them. Let me get 2 hair ties. I hate this. For space buns I just use my fingers to kind of part my hair in the middle. I just tie my hair and don't pull it all the way through. When I'm almost at the end, I get this loop thingy, wrap it around again. Some of you will probably think my hair isn't that long, how should I do these hairstyles? But honestly, most of the time I wish my hair was a bit shorter, because most of the hairstyles are way easier when your hair is shorter like this. I would say medium length would be the perfect length to do hairstyles. That's also one of the reasons why I do a video like this, because I haven't seen any video where a girl with very long hair is doing hairstyles. Just because it's so much effort, I think. I mean, can you see what I'm talking about? So that's the reason why I personally like to use those little clasps to secure my buns. And I also think it's a cute tiny twist on the regular buns. I hope you can see the difference. So that's the finished product. I like it. I actually wear it a lot because it kind of makes me feel like an anime princess. That's a plus. Okay, the second one she showed us was one we already tried. For the last hairstyle I picked something which is kind of extraordinary. And the only thing you will need is a pencil. So let's try this. Alright, let's try it. I have no clue how she did it. She just put it behind her hair. It looked so effortless and she did it! This shit doesn't work on long hair. I see it coming. Okay, so she just... Does it look like anything? I mean, it's not terrible. Maybe I will go for another round. What about this? It's hella tight on my head. Okay, I'm low-key surprised. This is actually pretty cute. Damn! Because it just ties everything together so smoothly on the back. Another funny thing is I got so much hair that you can't actually tell I got a pencil in my hair. So that's it for all of the hairstyles for today. Please leave a like and comment which kind of video I should do next. And I hope you're going to see each other in my next video. Bye!